Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these AirPods Pro 3 case. This is compatible with only the AirPods 3 that has just been released in 2025. Alright, so right here we have the tough magnetic case. This one here is offered in several different colors. I did get the purple. They offered in black, gray, green, navy blue, red, and desert tilia, and also the green. So they do offer in different generations. They do have the Pro 2-in-1 case. They offer the AirPods 4 case. So these ones here from the AirPods Pro 2, these ones are a bit thicker. The case is a little bit wider and longer. I like the fact that this has a magnetic lock, effortless MagSafe. So the other one that I had used to have a locking button, but this one doesn't. It has a very nice thick magnetic, so it locks it in place. You don't have to worry about it popping out. So this is only for the AirPods Pro 3. These are effortlessly MagSafe. These are easy to go on the go. It is 136% stronger magnetics. It's compatible with the Apple Watch chargers. So this one here is the purple one. This does have a magnetic locking lid, which is super strong. I like it because the other one that I had before actually had a clip. So this one here does give you the top and the bottom. Unfortunately, it doesn't have like the other ones where you can clean the top and the inside of your earbuds. It just kind of gives you like a mascara little wand to clean it out. So this one does magnetize to the bottom. It has magnets at the very bottom, on the back, and as well on the top, on the very top right here. So if you have this closed with your earbuds inside, you can actually magnetize it to the side of your refrigerator, or it does connect to the chargers for your Apple Watches or your Apple phones. And it just connects right here. And this little thing that's stuck up on the top, that one helps it from just moving around. You could pull that off. I just actually left that on mine. So it does have a little clip so you can take it with you on the go. It's easy to carry. This is a powerful drop protection. It is air guarded corners that protects against even the worst drops. So right here it just connects. So I'm just going to go and grab my AirPods 3 and then put them in here. But this is the little thing to clean it out. You have the clip to clip on, and then you have this little mascara wand to clean out your earbuds, although I would not use that. I actually do have the soft one where it cleans out the earbuds and the side. Here's a clip right here. You can clip it onto your bag, your pockets, your purse, your pants, or whatever you'd want to do. I like that this does have a super tough magnetic case. So I'm just going to grab these, put these right in here, just slips right in here. Again, this is only for the AirPods Pro 3, the 2025 version. It will not fit the 2 because this one's a bit wider and a bit thicker. So you just put this here on, snap it in there, and you're good to go. You could protect your AirPods Pro with these cases. If you're looking for a nice, durable, high strong magnetic case for your AirPods Pro 3 2025 version, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. You can see that there's a magnetic here, on the other side, on both sides, and then it just snaps right in place. And it's a little harder to open, but I like the fact that it does not just pop up and your earbuds go flying. It does have a spot for the speakers, so when you're trying to reach your earpods, it is nice and clear and open. And it has a cutout for your Type-C charging port if you want to charge it by the Type-C. But if you're looking for a nice case for the newest AirPods Pro, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.